Doing a quick review on this Intex above ground sand pump. This is a digital reading right here. This pump right here is what you're going to need if you have an above ground pool. People, if you have an above ground pool and you want to keep your water fresh and clean for the whole summer, then you need to grab yourself a set like this. The pump itself will not come with this pool. This pool will come with a cheap little pump. You don't want that cheap little pump. If you want your water to flow like this is flowing, then you need to grab yourself one of these Intex pumps. These Intex pumps are amazing. They have a timer on them, so you can set them for 9 hours on, 9 hours off. It comes with all the pipes. It comes with all the fittings. They'll fit all your standard above ground pools, no problem. And you'll get some nice clean water with a nice jet coming out of it. But if you decide to go with your original pump, trust me when I'm saying it, people, you're gonna regret it. Your water's gonna get very ugly very fast. So I highly recommend you pick up one of these Intex sand pumps and get your water nice and clean and get yourself prepped for the summer. Highly recommend. This pump comes with a lot of features, guys. This little
put this
meter
back
right here will
on,
tell you when you need to
and then you put it on filter mode, and then
your pump. It comes with different settings for backwashing, for filtering, for rinsing. Because once you backwash this sand filter, what you're going to have to do after that is you're going to have to rinse it and then start it back up when your meter gets to the yellow section on the little reader right there. But look at this water flow. This water flow is amazing. If you want water flow like this, then I highly recommend you pick up one of these water pumps and get your water looking clean.